name is Inder. I hope you are doing well. So tell me, how many people over here want to learn English? And you will say, of course, we all. Let me tell you that learning English is not difficult these days because there are so many resources available. And we have them too, like websites, applications, YouTube. Among these, YouTube is indeed a popular platform for learning English. Various lessons offer tutorials, grammar lessons, vocabulary exercise. Even through vlogs, you can learn English. Today, I have something for you that will help you to learn English in your own way. Yes, you heard right, your own way. So, are you ready to learn? Today, there is an era of AI. No doubt, it is everywhere in business, in education, in job, everywhere you research. Then why don't you? फिर आप क्यों नहीं इसका लुत्फ उठा सकते? Today you will know how you can progress your English through ChatGPT. It is an artificial intelligence tool opened by AI. Now a trained teacher is with you all the time. So there is no more excuses that I am not able to afford English classes. If you think that I don't have anyone to practice with, then stop thinking from today. Because this is a partner who is with you 24/7. If you cannot afford a teacher, then your problem is solved. Use the ChatGPT to talk on any topic in which you are interested. You can talk about fashion, food, technology, famous personalities, or places. You will get everything here. For example, if I want to know about my favorite player, then I will ask ChatGPT, tell me about Virat Kohli. You will notice that from the beginning of his cricket journey to whatever he does off the field, it will get you everything. Suppose you want to buy books to learn English and you don't know. Then you can ask ChatGPT. There, it will tell you about all the books of beginner levels, intermediate levels, and advanced levels. You can buy according to your levels. The next thing is, as if we are bored of saying, how are you? Then you simply ask ChatGPT, how many ways to ask, how are you? And it will show you 10 ways. So it's a fun learning.